everyone, welcome to my channel, The Italian Makes It. Today I'm going to talk to you about a photography project, a multi-exposure photo giving the impression that there's multiple unicorns hanging out in my garden lounge. I managed to find online this lovely dress, this lovely inflatable unicorn outfit, which I've got to say I'm glad that I'm out of at the moment, having like a bit of a technical issue. Oh, where's the zip? Hoping I'm stuck in here. It's all fixed. It's all fixed now. So it's all good. The reason for the unicorns is because I love them. Let's talk about how I did it. Obviously, I needed the help from my husband because wearing the inflatable unicorn costume wasn't easy. I couldn't see and I was wobbling all over the place and I had to move about to take different shots, but I made it. So that was good. It was good fun. We really enjoyed it. It wasn't bought on purpose for this project. It was actually bought for a wedding. I wore it when we delivered the cakes on our wedding day. So after that, it's been in a box and I always thought I just need to do is screaming at me to come out of the box and for me to do something creative with it. And I kept thinking, what can I do? How can I do it? How can I go about it? And then all of a sudden it hit me. And this year I thought, okay, I know what I want to do. We created our garden area during the lockdowns. So I thought, well, we've got this lovely space that we created in our garden. We've got a bar, we've got a sofa. Why not just make it look as if there's unicorns hanging around in the bar, there's unicorns hanging around in the lounge area. So that's it. That's when the idea came about. This project is really simple and anybody can do it. You can try at home, and I hope this video is going to inspire you to actually try it. Just get your children involved and just take different pictures of them, and then you can just merge them all together. And I'm going to quickly show you how I do it, but you'll have to wait. I will show you a little bit and then you can see the final product. What I did, I got the iPhone, set a tripod and set the angle that I wanted to use. So I set it in a way that I could see the whole garden. And then I donned my costume and wobbled on all over the place. And I just sat myself in different places. I sat on the chaise longue of a corner sofa. Then I sat on the other corner of the sofa. Then I lie down on a little green rug. And then I just crashed on the corner of the decking. And after we've taken all the photos, one tip, just make sure that you do not move anything in the scene. Because what I did, I moved one of the cushions on the sofa and oh my God, if it was difficult to match it up with the photo underneath. So make sure you don't touch it. Just move yourself or your children, but don't touch the scene. Are you ready for this? Let's start. I've used my iPad because on the iPad there's a program called Procreate, which is amazing for drawing and doing illustrations, and there's a lot more that you can do with it. I've only just about explored it. And also what I like about working with the iPad and Procreate, that I've got a pencil and it's literally just like drawing. So let me show you what I did. I open up Procreate and I'm going to take the photos that I want. And there we go. Then I go and add the other photo that I want. And now what I'm going to do, as you can see, you got layers and you can just put it on top of each other. What I'm going to do, I am going to delete the inside of the bar on one photo so it shows through the unicorn inside the bar. So if I take off this layer, you can see the photo that is underneath. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the color of the background to green so I can check whether I've deleted the correct areas or not. So let me just, this is, make sure that you select the correct layer, because otherwise you're going to delete something that you don't want to. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get rid of the second layer because I know exactly what I want to do. I want to literally delete just the inside of the bar. So I'm going to show you, because you'll see as I delete it, it's going to turn green. So I'll just do this bit and I delete all around the unicorn, just making sure that I don't delete the unicorn. By the way, this is not meant to be a tutorial video. I'm just literally showing you what I've done, and I'm really hoping that this is going to inspire you to try it out. As I said, involve your children. I'm sure they will love it and they will love seeing the result. And carefully going around the unicorn. Oops, there we go. I've deleted, I've redone it. Once I've done all the outlines of this, then I can start deleting the inside and show the photo that is underneath, and you will see that the unicorn will appear. And if you tried it and you had fun, just let me know how you got on and how you did it, and if you've done it with the iPad and if you've done it with Procreate. It would be nice to see what you've achieved, what you created. Ta-da! So now that we finished, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the layer back on and you will see what's going to happen. Ta-da! And now we've got a unicorn inside the bar. And what we need to do, we crop the photo. So we're going to canvas, crop. And there's our photo. Oh, there's one more thing to do. I need to get rid of my face. But this is the concept of merging the two photos together. So as you can see, it's not difficult. It's just literally about deleting the bits that you don't want to show what's underneath, and job done. And then you can adjust it a little bit. There are other softwares, photography software that you can use. One of them is being Snapseed. You add a little bit of vignette, you just adjust the colors the way you like it, and that's it. And you've got hopefully a nice photo that you enjoy and you're proud of. So why not? So I'm gonna show you the end result. Thank you for making it this far, and thank you for watching. If you like what you see, subscribe and hit the bell so you get notifications on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.